it's Lauren here showing you all of my all-time skincare favorites and how to achieve a natural makeup look. Yeah, okay. Hey, what's up? Hello, welcome to or back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and I post all things fashion, lifestyle, and my small business. So if you don't know what Vogue is or like Beauty Insiders, it's basically the video that I am like recreating today. Basically where a bunch of celebrities, or recently it's been like TikTokers, so internet famous people, go on there and they have a whole segment where they show different kinds of things that have to do with skincare and makeup. And I just wanted to try that today because I have had the same makeup products literally since I was in high school and I've been out for 2 years. I needed new makeup, so I just replenished everything with my amazing sister and she helped me pick everything out, and I just wanted to show you guys all the things that I've been using recently. I even made a cute setup, like look at that. We're just gonna take a second to look at it. I'm so proud of myself. It's gonna have minimal editing and just kind of like lo-fi beats in the background, just as Vogue actually would. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I want to start with my skincare. My all-time favorite that my sister put me on is this. It smells so clean, so amazing. It's literally kale, green tea, and spinach. It makes my skin feel so clean. So we're gonna start off by washing my face. I usually like to use just one pump. I used to use a half a pump. My sister told me to use one pump to wet my face. And then mix it together until it's like a white consistency, and then scrub your face. It's literally like putting vegetables on your face. I don't know, something about it. It's just so cleansing, obviously because it's a cleanser. I just really love this one. I used to use the CeraVe or CeraVe one, but kind of pricier, obviously, but I think it's totally worth it. I'm so excited to show you guys all my products. Alright, next is a sugar scrub for my lips. This one tastes like mint, and I literally used the smallest amount ever. Like, you're gonna think that I'm crazy. Like, I just take my nail and I literally get this much. You probably can't even tell how much this is, but I think that's all that I need. And then I just scrub my lips. I'm not sure if you're supposed to like wash it off or you're supposed to lick it off, but I just wash it off. A little intermission with my favorite toothpaste. Before I continue, I'm going to put in these little hair clips to get my hair out of my face. They're different, don't judge me, but they still look cute together. Next for skincare, I have this exfoliating toner. Someone's mowing. We can just disregard. Okay, so next I have this toner. I would usually put it on a cotton pad and like rub it on my face, but my sister actually told me that I can just put it on my hands and kind of like pat it in. So that's what I'm doing. So like this, and then it obviously doesn't say that it's in here, but it smells like apple cider vinegar. Next, for sunscreen, I have this from Garnier. They actually sponsored me a few months ago, and it wasn't for this product, but in the same brand. And yeah, I use this as sunscreen, and I've seen everywhere that you like put the amount of 3 of your fingers. So that's what I've been doing, just like that. And then rubbing it all together, and then just putting it on my face. This makes me feel so shiny and smooth after. Next is my moisturizer. I have never even used this moisturizer. I've never known anything about this brand, but my mom actually uses it and she really liked it, and it is the First Aid Beauty Moisturizer. I love it so much. It feels, I don't know another word besides thick, because I feel like thick makeup and thick skincare sounds bad, but like it's in a good way. It's still, I don't know how to explain it, like it's still thin while being thick on your skin. I don't have to worry that my skin is gonna get dry and cracky when I walk outside. Okay, 2 more steps for skincare. So I take this Aquifer. I feel like this is the best lip balm that I've ever tried. This one actually keeps my lips hydrated all throughout the day, and I really like it. And then lastly, I use this Do It Facial Mist by Fourth Ray Beauty, I think that's what it says. I really like this. It smells like cucumbers, actually. Okay, so that's it for skincare, and I just wanted to point this out. At the end of the day, whenever I'm like taking off my makeup, I have been using this cleansing balm. It is by the brand Pharmacy, and it's actually really great. It came with a little like spoon. I think stuff like that is so cute. So yeah, now onto the exciting part, the makeup. The first thing that I do is my eyebrows. They are not twins, they're not sisters, they might be cousins. I have went to so many different brow bars to just try and make them even, but they are not even. They grow in different directions and I can't do anything about it, so I have learned to live with it. So I just do the silk brow look, I guess. So I take this little thing, so I take the gel, get a little bit of it on this spoolie, and then I kind of just brush them up as high as I can, all the way to the sky if necessary. And you kind of have to like put a little force into it because my eyebrows have a mind of their own. I wish I could rock this look, but I cannot. I look crazy. So after I do that, I just go over the top and I literally just yup. I feel like this look looks great on other people. Like I've seen it on many models, but I feel like I look like the Grinch. Yes, yes. It's really easy. And this thing was really cheap. So you can get it at like your local CVS, Walgreens, anything. Next is primer. It is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I have never used this. Again, my sister is all about like makeup and skincare and stuff. So she was teaching me lots of things. But this is like the best one to grip on to your makeup. And I actually really like it. So I just take like a little pump like about that big. And then we're going to put it all over. I also have a few friends here joining us today. I'm almost on my period and yeah, they are beautiful as well. It's okay, it happens to everyone. You're beautiful, I'm beautiful, we're all beautiful. Next, I have this skincare. I hate to keep bringing up my sister, but she literally, like, she went and bought this for me. She went to the store and bought it for me. And when she brought it back home, I almost started crying because I never get gifts randomly like that. Like, that was so cute. She's tried the skin tint out and she has been wanting me to try it out and I wasn't gonna buy it for myself, so she bought it for me. And I actually really like it. It has hyaluronic acid and it's only a tinted moisturizer. Especially in the summer, I like to have like a natural beat and this really helps. So this kind of just evens out all of my redness. I have a very uneven skin tone. So yeah, so I put about 1 pump on here and if it's not enough, I actually go back in later with a second pump. I've been using a brush when putting this on and then after to kind of like even it all out, I just go in with the beauty blender. We're just gonna kind of buff it in. So go in like this. I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror, so do not mind me. And then I kind of just buff it in. Okay, and today since I'm on vacation, I'm actually on like a little staycation, I'm not gonna do a second layer. I don't really need a full coverage. So yeah, this is how it turns out. I need to go wet my beauty blender and blend it all together. And since it is a skin tint, like if I blend it too much with the beauty blender, it's gonna like soak it all up. So I kind of just go like really lightly, so like. And don't forget your neck and your ears and all those good things. I was going over my neck and I was ears. Next is ColourPop. This one I really like. It also has hyaluronic acid and it's creamy. And I really like it because of the consistency. It kind of just smells weird. Like it smells like paint a little bit, but I usually just put it right here, same thing on the other side. I put it right here on my forehead to lighten, and I put it on my chin, and then on any problem areas, which are my amazing friends over here. Yeah, okay, and then I just blend it all in with the beauty blender. And then I usually take it up on my eyelid just to get some coverage up there. Concealer just makes me look so much brighter and more awake. So this go around, whenever I was choosing all my makeup products, I really told my sister and kind of like the Sephora and Ulta people that I wanted to get more creamy products and I wanted to stay away from anything that was like too powdery. I really like that glowy look rather than like anything too matte, at least on myself, because other people rock it phenomenally. I have tried it, I've tried like full coverage and I just look weird. I don't know how to explain it. So I'm not one of those baddies that can rock that, but I can rock a natural look. There's one powder product, but the rest are just like creamy, and I really love that. Next, I usually just take this big brush and blend everything together. And then, for underneath my eyes only, I go in with this Air Spun. I've had this for a while. I didn't update on this, but it's a face powder, and I just use like the smallest amount ever. I tap some into the cap, and then I use this fluffy brush and dip it in. I used to do baking all under here and stuff, but I haven't been doing that recently. Putting this under my eyes to try and stop any creasing that might happen throughout the day. Literally, that's it. Next, we have the Anastasia powder bronzer. This is the one product that I was telling you guys. I have it in the shade Rosewood, and it was on sale. There was like 30% off, so I think I got it for like $13, and it's actually really great. Also, I took the little thing off of here, and now this looks like this, and I don't know how to fix it. I take an angled brush, and I kind of do just like the 3 method that everyone has done literally their whole life. So you go here, and like come up here. Kind of just going like this, like the 3 or an E. I guess this would be a 3, this would be an E. And I am all about blending. Gotta get that chiseled jawline. Someone is still mowing. I'm very sorry. Okay, that looks about right, I guess. We might actually, let's add a little bit more on the cheeks. Okay, looks pretty good to me. Before I put this bronzer away, I have been contouring, I guess, with the bronzer on my nose, and it's just a little bit, so I kind of just go underneath my nose right here. Make it have that button look. So we're gonna take this and make it into a little circle. And then I just bring it up on the sides. I am definitely not a professional nose contourer, but this is what I've been doing for a while, so. This next product has been my all-time favorite. I don't know why, but it just brings me so much happiness. So it is the Kaja blush. I think that's how you say the brand, Kaja. And I got it in the shade Bossy. But literally just watch. Ready? We're gonna open it together because it literally makes me so happy for no reason. So you open it and it like, this little thing springs up. And then when you get to the actual blush, I don't think you're ready. So we're gonna stamp it like a little stamp. Once we're gonna stamp it, get it all nice and good, and then watch. Oh my gosh. As soon as I saw this at the store, I was like, I need it. I need it. I don't care. I don't know. I need it. I don't know why. It just makes me so happy. After I do that, I just go in with the beauty blender and I just blend it upwards to kind of like rise and like pull up my face. And it actually looks really nice. When we tried it on at the store, obviously we couldn't like try it on at Sephora, but like we put it on our hands and it just looked like it wasn't too pigmented, but it actually looks really nice now. With any extras, I kind of just go like this to get any on my nose. Cute. Okay, next is eyeshadow. I just kind of bring some color into my eyes. I don't do anything too crazy. I don't even know when I got this or how I got this, but I just use 2 colors. I use the light brown and then I use the dark brown. That's literally it. I take one fluffy brush and go in with the light brown. I don't even know if this is like made anymore. It's literally Maybelline's Lemon Craze palette. But I just put this all over my lid. Then I just go in with the darker brown. And I have a very light hand with this, and then I'm constantly blending. It probably looks like nothing to you guys, but it just adds like a little warmth and depth to my face. Also, do you guys like my nails? I've never gotten French. It's literally the most basic thing ever, but I wanted to be very like pretty and elegant for this video. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I just blend for days and days and days. So the next thing is mascara. I think this is from e.l.f. It's just a regular like eyelash curler. I don't truly recommend it because it's not the best. Sometimes my eyelashes do get caught in here. I've seen ones that have like little prongs right here instead of like this little cushion. I would definitely recommend those. I just don't know where to get one. Like I saw one on TikTok, but then I lost the video. So I just go in and curl the lashes. My lashes go straight out. And next, I have my all-time favorite mascara. This has been the only one that gives me any sort of volume. It is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara. And it's literally the only one that has ever given me any volume at all. Just watch, it's a process. So that's the first coat. Now we're gonna do the other eye. Then I have to wait for them to dry, and then we're gonna go in with the second coat. I feel like nobody has a pretty mascara look. They're like, and I've just recently been putting it on my lower lash, and I think it makes a bit of a difference. If you've heard my brother's alarm this whole video, I am very sorry. Mascara is done. Now is my second favorite part. This stuff is so gorgeous. As soon as my sister showed me this product, I was like, oh, it literally looks like an angel has kissed your face. So basically, it is the Rare Beauty highlighter. This one is gorgeous. I love the packaging. This one is in the shade Enlighten. I've never had any packaging like this, and when my sister told me the reason behind like why she made her packaging like this, it just made me want to buy it even more. And I think it was for like people with arthritis, like this just makes it easier for them. So Selena is doing it right. So basically with this, I just take 2 dots right here. Like, look at how beautiful. I'm gonna do 2 dots right here. Okay, and I also do it in other places, but I usually just start with that, go with the beauty blender, and then blend it in. This just tops off that natural glowy look. So good. Then I usually take the smallest amount and put it on my chin and then on my forehead. And then again, blend that out with the beauty blender. Kind of just highlighting the high points of my face. Okay, and my favorite is whenever I get to nose highlight. So I have this little teeny tiny brush, and I just have the little applicator right here. Put some on my brush, and then I kind of go overboard with my nose every single time, but it's fine. Who's it harming? No one. It's like an art, really. And then I usually put it in my inner corner, and then under my brow bone. Now we're gonna blend it. Yes, yes, the highlighter is gorgeous. Okay, 2 more products. This is the Morphe Glassified Lip Oil. This one is kind of a dupe to the Dior one, and it's like half the price, but this is so beautiful. I know I've said that for literally everything, but just watch. It's like my natural lip color, but enhanced. I really love that, especially with the natural look that we're trying to achieve. Lastly, we have the Makeup Revolution Calming Makeup Fixing Spray. This kind of spilled. I don't know what happened, but it spilled the other day, and it was all the way up to here, and now it's almost gone. But basically, this is the setting spray that I use. It smells really good as well. You can take out the clips. Oh, also, lastly, before we're done, sometimes whenever I put on like all the face makeup, it kind of like gets in my eyebrows a little bit. So if I have a Q-tip, then I use a Q-tip, but I don't. So I'm just gonna use my pinkies and we're gonna get the product out of them. Okay. This is the final makeup look. I am so happy and so excited that I finally get to show you guys this. It's like your natural beauty, just a little enhanced, and I really love that. I think that you are beautiful no matter what you wear on your face, no matter what you do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was a good like parody to the Vogue Beauty Insiders videos. If you like this video, be sure to check out the rest of my videos because I think that they're pretty cool, and you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, okay, bye.